Understanding cold sweat in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cold sweat. This expression is common in English and is used to describe a particular physical and emotional state. Stay with us to learn about its meaning, usage, and origin. Cold sweat refers to a state of sweating accompanied by a feeling of coldness, usually occurring in stressful, frightening, or anxiety-inducing situations. This phrase is often used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone is extremely nervous or scared. Let's see how cold sweat is used in everyday English. When I realized I had missed the deadline, I broke out in a cold sweat. Just thinking about the upcoming presentation gives me a cold sweat. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, often relating to anxiety or fear. The phrase, cold sweat, has been used for centuries. It originates from the physical reaction our bodies have in response to extreme stress or fear, where we sweat but also feel chilled. This phrase captures the essence of that experience. Cold sweat is a vivid and expressive phrase in the English language, often used to describe a state of anxiety or fear. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.